Welcome! If you want to allow your friends to add you to private servers on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to let your friends invite you to their private servers, so you can join the fun without any hassle. Let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will open the settings page where you can adjust all your account preferences. Step 4. Next, tap on Privacy. Here is where you can manage all your privacy and communication settings. Step 5. Scroll down to the Other Settings section. You'll see an option called Who can make me a member in private servers? Tap on this option and select Friends. This will allow only your friends to add you to their private servers. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your friends to add you to private servers. Now, you won't miss out on any fun private server activities with your friends. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow the same steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching.